everyone. Welcome to Aviation Engineering YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do some lessons regarding AT chapter 24, electrical system, AC generation. So today is lesson number 3. So today I'm going to discuss about IDG monitoring. Okay, IDG monitoring. So if you still not watch my previous lesson, like I did lesson number 1 and lesson number 2, so you just watch because I will add this one to the playlist. And also if you still not watched my previous videos regarding all the chapters, like, so you can watch in future. I will do more chapters. And also I want to tell, if you still not subscribed Aviation Engineering YouTube channel, please subscribe and please share these videos with your friends, relatives, and if anyone who would like to learn about aircraft maintenance, because these channels mainly focusing on aircraft maintenance. And also I put some lessons regarding YASA examinations. All right. Okay, so today lesson is very short, so very short video, so you can watch this video, and if you're satisfied, just subscribe. All right. Okay, so let's go to the video. All right. So yeah, you can see this is the IDG, right? IDG engine. So the IDG means integrated drive generator. Okay. So when we remove the IDG, we have to remove through this one. This one is quick attach detach. It means QAD. Okay. So the purpose of this lesson is to help you to understand and analyze IDG. IDG means integrated drive generator parameters for basic troubleshooting. Okay, so by learning these parameters, it means like temperature monitoring, pressure, like you can identify and solve minor issues with the IDG system, ensuring it operates smoothly and efficiently. Okay, so this knowledge is crucial for maintaining aircraft reliability and safety. All right, so let's go to the lesson. So in this one lesson content, I'm going to tell you like temperature monitoring and the temperature rise indications, and also the pressure monitoring. That's why I told you very short lesson. All right, the first one is temperature monitoring. Okay, you can see here is the IDG. Okay, you can see here is the oil system. This is oil in temperature sensor over there, and oil out temperature sensor is there. Here is the oil in temperature sensor, and here is oil out temperature. And here is the charge pressure switch over there. We will discuss later. And input speed sensor here, and this is all these components including the generator. And then here you can see the fuel oil heat exchanger, over there. All right, here you can see here. And in the GCU, ground control unit 1 GCU, you can see the oil inlet temperature rise indications over there, right? And here the oil outlet temperature, overheat temperature, and low pressure and speed, low speed. Okay, here have and some gates, and then you go to engine indications unit, then step 1, step 2, and then go to system display and master outputs and engine warning display. Okay, let's talk about this. So the first one, temperature monitoring. So if an over temperature is detected, right? If an over temperature is detected at the IDG, which is integrated drive generator outlets, alarms will go off to alert you, right? It means if the IDG outlet temperature sensor detected an over temperature, and then alarm will go off to alert you. So this means the sensors have picked up that the temperature is too high. From this sensor is pick up its temperature is too high, which can be dangerous. So the alarms are there to warn you, so you can take action to fix the issue and prevent any damage or failure. You can see oil temperature sensor they detected, and then they send to signal to oil outlet temperature, and then it's go to the engine indication unit, and then it's go to the step 1 or sometimes it's step 2, and then it's shows in the system display. So if the temperature rises above 147 Celsius, the ELAC page. Okay, yeah, in previous videos I show you how is the ELAC page. ELAC page is automatically displayed and the temperature indication flashes. All right, so if the temperature exceeds 180 Celsius, the indications turn from green to amber. All right, okay. And the next one you can see here. Yeah, you can see the out temperature, the sensors, the high temperature over there, then it's sent to the signal. You can see oil temperature, overheat temperature is mean like now the temperature is more than 185 Celsius, and then it's go to the engine indication unit and SDAC 1, and then is go to the system display and as well as the master caution. The amber color is comes out, and also engine warning display, and also is go to the IDG switch in the overhead panel. You can see it's shown in fault in amber color. So when the temperature at the IDG integrated drive generator outlet exceed 185 Celsius, the master caution and IDG fault lights will turn on, and a single chime sound will single chime will sound like kick kick like this. Okay, so this alert you to high temperature, signaling that immediate attention is needed to address the overheating issue. All right. Okay. So now let's go to the temperature rise indication. Temperature rise indication. Okay. Here the same. Okay. Same schematic diagram. So when the temperature at IDG outlet goes over certain limit, a signal is sent to the centralized fault display interface unit CFDIU. Here CFDIU through the ground power control unit. This system helps to identify and displaying the fault, making it easier for maintenance personnel to detect and address the overheating issue promptly. Okay, in here also you can see oil in temperature also there, right? Temperature rise indication, it can take from oil in temperature or oil out temperature. Okay, so you can see, right, it's go to the oil in temperature or temperature rise indication, then it's go to the CFDIU through ground power control unit. All right. Okay, and now the pressure monitoring. Here the charge pressure switch over there and input speed sensor. So if there's a loss of charge of oil pressure, it means if there's a loss of charge oil pressure, there's a pressure loss in the charge oil pressure in the IDG, integrated drive generator, specific indications and warnings will be activated. So however, these alerts only occur when the relating engine is running. Okay, these kind of things happen only that engine. It means the example in the left engine, the left IDG. So only in the left engine is running. So here's how it works. So the IDG relies on oil pressure to operate correctly. Okay, IDG relies on the oil pressure to operate correctly. If the oil pressure drops too low, it can cause serious problems. Okay, when the engine linked to the IDG is turned on, sensor continuously monitor the oil pressure. If the pressure falls below a safe level, the system will detect this and trigger warning. Okay, you can see the charge pressure. If the pressure is low, then they will send the low pressure, and or the low speed, they will detect low pressure and low speed, and then is go and gate, and then is go to the engine interface unit and step 1 or step 2, and then the same warnings display, like system display they will show it, SD, and the master caution also they will show, and also engine warning display they will display, and also is go to the IDG fault lights comes up. So these warnings usually include indicator lights on the control panel and possibly an audible alarm. So the lights might show an IDG fault or similar message to alert the crew. The purpose of these warnings is to let the crew know that there is an issue with the IDG oil pressure, so they can take appropriate actions to avoid damage or failure of the system. Right. Yeah, that is the 3 indications, right? Okay, so that is the end of this lesson. Thank you for participating in this lesson. So the next lesson number 4, we will discuss more about AC generation. So if you're still not subscribed to Aviation Engineering YouTube channel, please subscribe, and please share these videos with your friends, relatives, anyone who would like to learn about aircraft maintenance. So I will do more videos regarding this kind of lessons, especially the A320 and 321, the type rating training. So if you wish to do the type rating, you can watch my videos and you can ready for this one, especially for the exam. And other than that, I will do the YAS examination preparation lessons. Already I did the module 1 and module 15, right? So you can watch these lessons. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much again, and we will see you on next video. Have a great day. Have a great day for you, and bye for you. Bye bye.